Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Anna. Today we are going to continue our housing and home unit. In one of our other videos, we learned some of the problems that you might have in your house or apartment. Today we are going to practice calling for a home repair. Calling for a home repair. A repair means that you need to fix something. So these people are calling because they have some problems in their home. It looks like this man, his ceiling is leaking. His ceiling is leaking. And this woman, I think there is a problem with her sink. So today we are going to talk about who do we call when there is a problem. There are mice. You should call an exterminator. Let's say that word together. Exterminator. An exterminator is a person who can help you. There are cockroaches. You should call an exterminator. So an exterminator can also help with cockroaches. The smoke alarm isn't working. You should call an electrician. An electrician can help you to fix it. The paint is peeling. You should call a painter. The faucet is dripping. You should call a plumber. The sink is clogged. You should call a plumber. The carpet is stained. You should call a carpet cleaner. The electricity isn't working. You should call an electrician. The window is broken. You should call a handyman. A handyman is a person that can fix many different things, many different problems. The toilet isn't working. You should call a plumber. The ceiling is leaking. You should call a plumber. The hot water isn't working. You should call a plumber. As you can see, a plumber fixes many different problems with the toilet and the sink and your hot water, things like that. The heat isn't working. You should call heating and air services. The air conditioner isn't working. You should call heating and air services. So those are some people that can help us to fix the different problems in our home. If you live in an apartment and you have a problem, you need to call your landlord first. The landlord is like the boss, the person who is renting the apartment to you is your landlord. And you are the tenants. So these people are renting an apartment. They are called the tenants. This is the woman who owns the apartment. She is the landlord. The tenants pay rent to the landlord. And the tenants have to call the landlord if they have a problem in their apartment. Here are some practice conversations today. This will help you if you have to call a landlord. Let's read example number 1 together. Hi, I'm calling about a problem with my apartment. Okay, what is your apartment number? It's apartment 116. And what is the problem? The ceiling is leaking. Thank you for letting me know. When can it be fixed? I will send someone right away. Thank you. So here the problem was the ceiling is leaking. Let's look at one more example. Example number 2. Hi, I'm calling about a problem with my apartment. Okay, what is your apartment number? It's apartment 52. And what is the problem? The air conditioner isn't working. Thank you for letting me know. When can it be fixed? I will send someone right away. Thank you. So this man has a problem. His air conditioner isn't working. So he is very hot. Can you try by yourself? Can you stop the video for a few minutes and see if you can complete the spaces to make a conversation? If you need to, look back at the examples. So we could say, hi, I'm calling about a problem with my apartment. What is your apartment number? So you can fill in the space with an example. And what is the problem? And then we ask the question, when can it be fixed? And then at the end, it's good to say, thank you. See if you can practice by yourself at home. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day.